What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Lenz, Lenz, Andreas Lenz, 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 Andreas Lenz,
Wiedemuth,
Lenz, Lenz, Andreas Lenz,
Wiedemuth,
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 Andreas Lenz, Andreas Lenz,
That's me.
Wiedemuth,
Anne Ebracht.
Wiedemuth,
Britta Ende. I'm Britta Ende. I'm Britta Ende. Britta Ende.
singing our song all day long at SGO.
I found the source of the ticking. It's a dank bomb.
Yeah!
Jochen hat, Jochen hat, Jochen hat.